9-year-old Raven was excited to go back to school this fall, but for her mother, anxiety was building. Kids started getting sick in Raven's Edmonton school, so her mom pulled her from in-person learning. That same day, Raven started showing symptoms. She tested positive for COVID-19.
The anger started hitting.
Days later, her school forced to shut down for 2 weeks. The province had only been contact tracing in so-called high-risk areas like hospitals and continuing care, not in schools.
If the kids in that classroom and the teacher in that classroom had been notified and had isolated, then it wouldn't have spread through the school.
But that is changing.
We are announcing new measures today to help to slow and prevent transmission at schools.
The province will ramp up rapid testing, publicly report outbreaks again, and bring back contact tracing, a move the Alberta Teachers Association says is too little, too late.
Schools have been flying blind essentially since school started in September.
The return of tracing should lower case counts, but that may not relieve stress on the hospital system, says this pediatric infectious disease physician.
Not at all clear whether the majority of those people were exposed to children who acquired COVID in schools.
As for Hill, she's upset her family is in this situation in the first place.
Because it just didn't have to happen.
She and her husband also tested positive. Both were fully vaccinated. They will be out of quarantine next Monday, just in time for Raven to go back to school after Thanksgiving. Julia Wong, CBC News, Edmonton.